I don't know, what are you thinking about?
We need to make a project on the science fair, but it has to be something real.
Biggest problem in Qatar that it's too hot and there's no water. And look at all this waste. We buy things online and just throw the boxes away. Hello guys, what are you thinking about?
We need to make a project in a science fair, and it has to be something interesting. And when I always go home, I see cardboard waste on the road.
Wait, I have an idea. What if we combine them? What if we use the waste cardboard to fix the sand?
Yes, cardboard is like a sponge. If we mix it into the sand, maybe it can hold the water.
That's a great idea.
Let's do it!
Welcome, I am Malik Isam and this is Farida. Our project is to solve Qatar's water scarcity using recycled waste.
Our hypothesis is simple. If we mix 10% recycled or cardboard pulp into our sandy soil, it will retain water for much longer.
Why? Because the cellulose fibers in the cardboard act like microscopic sponge, trapping water that could usually evaporate in the sun.
First, we collected the waste cardboard from our school workshop and we shredded it into small pieces. And here is the Qatar local sand. We strained it so it's 100% pure.
We soaked it for 24 hours until it became a soft pulp. This is our secret ingredient.
These are empty beer baskets we collected from home and we made small holes in the bottom of it.
And we collected local sand from Qatar and we stained it so it will be 100% pure sand. And this is fenugreek seed.
And this is almond seed.
And this is melt cardboard pulp. In pot A, we're going to use 90% pure sand and cardboard pulp.
In pot B, we use 100% sand.
And we're going to first plant the whole mold seed. First, we're going to take 90% sand to pot A and we're going to mix it with 10% cardboard pulp.
And in pot B, we'll put 10% sand.
After we mix it, we're going to put the whole mold seeds. In pot A, I used 90% sand and 10% cardboard pulp. Now we are gonna plant the whole mold seeds. We're gonna take some and spread them all over the pot. After that, we're gonna cover them with some sand, and then we're gonna water them. Now we are done with planting them. Pot A is a 90% sand with 10% cardboard.
And pot B is 100% sand. And we plant it the same way with the fenugreek seeds.
These are the whole mold seeds after 14 days. Pot A, 90% sand with 10% cardboard pulp. Mashallah, check how did it go well. While pot B, 100% pure sand. There's a difference between them. It didn't go well as pot A. Check the difference.
And here is the fenugreek seed. This is pot A and this is pot B. Pot A is 90% sand and 10% cardboard. Look, mashallah, it grew well. But pot B is 100% sand and it didn't grow well. Check the difference.
Now we will take the measurements of both plants after 14 days of the whole mold seed. Now with pot A, which is having 90% sand and 10% cardboard pulp. Its measurement is 4.5. Now pot B, which is 100% sand. It's only 2 centimeters. And check the difference. Here in pot A, all the seeds are gone. But in pot B, only some of them are gone. Some are not gone. And I watered them equally every day.
Now we'll take the measurements of the fenugreek seed. Pot A, which is 90% sand and 10% cardboard pulp, grow well. It is 3 centimeters. Pot B, which is 100% sand, didn't grow well and it's 1.5 centimeters. Look at the difference. In pot A, it grew well, but in pot B, it didn't grow well, and it put each day the same amount of water.
We proved that we don't need expensive chemicals to fix our sand. We just need to recycle our trash. Look at this. We used cardboard pulp as a fertilizer for our sand. And see, the plant growed very well. While we used pot B, only 100% sand, and it didn't grow well as pot A. and this proves that cardboard pulp can be used as a fertilizer.
This project supports the Qatar National Vision 2030. We are reducing landfill waste and saving precious water for our country's future. We are the students of Haq Shaman School, Masaimir, and we are ready to turn Qatar green. Hope you liked our idea.